everyone, and welcome back to your English class. So in English we are going to take the literature part today. We have studied grammar earlier and now we are going to take the literature. And in literature, English reader book, you will open the chapter game, chapter number 6 on page number 52. So before starting a chapter, you have to take a pencil in your hand so that we can underline the difficult words with its meaning. Okay? So read after me. Today is Sarah's birthday. So Sarah, you can see children, Sarah is written in capital letter. S यहाँ पे capital है. जो आप गलत करते हैं, you make a mistake. Every noun, every name is written in capital letter. देखो ये sentence के बीच में आया. It has come in between the sentence, but it is written in capital letter. So children, you also have to write a noun in the capital letter. Okay, so आज क्या है? आज सारा का बर्थडे है. Sarah is 7 years old. And how old is she? Now 7 years old. She has invited her friends to her birthday party. And whenever we are having a birthday, we usually invite our friends. So she also has invited her friends. All the children are wearing birthday caps. And all the children are wearing birthday caps. Sarah is wearing a lovely green frock. And what is the special dress Sarah is wearing? We also purchase a special dress now. Yes. So Sarah is wearing a lovely green frock. There is a cake on the table. If there is a birthday, the cake is must. Yes. So Sarah is also having a cake on the table. Shall I cut the cake, Mama? Asks Sarah. So Sarah takes a permission from her mother that shall I cut the cake? Yes dear, you may, says her mother. So उसकी मम्मा क्या कहती है? Okay dear, you can cut the cake. Sarah blows out the candles and cuts the cake. So Sarah slightly bends down and she blows out all the candles. And it is fun to blow the candles, isn't it, children? And finally she cuts the cake. All the children wish Sarah a very happy birthday. Then they give her many presents. Presents, what is the meaning of presents? Yes, the most favorite thing of our birthday, that is gifts. Yes, so all the children have brought many presents, many gifts for Sarah. So while cutting the cake, she has got many gifts. So now we are going to underline the difficult words on this page. So you will underline first of all Sarah, 7 years old, invited and wearing, and you will underline this whole line. Sarah is wearing a lovely green frock. Okay. Then blows, candles, and birthday, because you don't know the spelling of birthday, and presents. So now we will move on to page number 53. Eat cakes, chips and ice creams. Then they go into the garden to play. Let's play passing the parcel, says Sarah. Then after eating the cake, and they eat some snacks also. And what are the snacks? Chips and ice creams also. Okay, then where they go? They go in the playground. They go in the garden to play with Sarah. So what is the game Sarah is asking everybody to play? That is passing the parcel. I think you all have played this game. If you haven't played, just you can play with your family members today. Okay, the children are sitting in a circle. And what is this game? See, here it is described. All of you have to sit in a circle. Okay, so the children are sitting in a circle. Neeru is playing the mouth organ and the children are passing the parcel around. So Neeru is a girl and she is a friend of Sarah. So she is playing a mouth organ, an instrument which sounds, which is a musical instrument, and children are passing the parcel. So one will play the music and other will pass the parcel. Parcel means anything which you can carry while playing. Either it is hanky, ball, or anything you can take at it as a parcel. Neeru stops playing the mouth organ. So now Neeru stops, and those who are having the parcel, that child will have to do what the other children will say. ओके अब जिसके पास पार्सल है वो क्या करेगा? जो बाकी बच्चे कहेंगे उसको वो करना पड़ेगा. सो वेयर इज़ द पार्सल नाउ? It is in Anoop's hand. Oh, there is a boy whose name is Anoop. So it is in Anoop's hand. He picks up a card from a box. And Anoop को क्या करना है? He sees from a card. He is reading it. Hop like a frog. It says, oh God, he has to do what? He has to hop like a frog. Can you hop like a frog, children? It is very easy. I can do. You can also do. Okay, after watching this video, you just hop like a frog. Okay, yes. So what Anoop has to do? He has to hop like a frog. Anoop hops like a frog. All the children are laughing and clapping. और Anoop hop कर रहा है frog की तरह. तो सारे बच्चे क्या करेंगे? Automatically they will laugh and clap ना. वो लोग हंस नहीं रहे, उसका मजाक नहीं उड़ा रहे. They are enjoying it. Okay. Again, Neeru is playing the mouth organ. अभी नीरू फिर से mouth organ play कर रही है. The parcel is going around. The parcel is moving from one person to another. Neeru stops playing. Now Mona has the parcel. Now नीरू ने फिर से म्यूजिक बंद कर दिया. Now second person who has the parcel is Mona. She picks up a card. It says crawl like a baby. And Mona picks up a card and what does it says? It says crawl like a baby. Crawl मतलब आप जानते हैं, रिंग रिंग के चलना, जैसे छोटे बेबी चलते हैं, isn't it? Yes, so she has to crawl like a baby. So you underline now first of all difficult words. Okay. Eat chips and ice creams. Passing the parcel. This is very important. You will see in the answers also. So underline this word. Passing the parcel. Sitting में double T है. Mouth organ and then passing also. Then parcel, reading, hops like a frog, laughing, clapping. Then Neeru. Then crawl like a baby. This much. Okay. Now turn to page number 54. Mona is crawling like a baby and everyone is laughing. So अभी मोना क्या करी? She is crawling like a baby and everybody is enjoying and laughing and clapping. Now again Neeru starts the mouth organ. This time when she stops playing, Sarah has the parcel. Now the birthday girl finally has the parcel. So अभी birthday girl के पास आया. Let's see क्या होता है. Sarah picks up a card and reads it. And Sarah finally picks up a card and reads it. It says and उस कार्ड पे लिखा हुआ है sing a song. Oh, इसको तो बहुत easy मिल गया. And she has to sing a song. Now Neeru is playing the mouth organ and Sarah is singing a song. Now Neeru is giving a background music and Sarah has started singing a song. All the children are clapping and they all are enjoying and clapping. They are cheering up. They are having a good time and they are enjoying a lot. Come inside, children. I have a surprise for all of you, says Sarah's mother. So what does the mother says? Come inside, children. Now just time to surprise yourself. I have a surprise gift for you. All the children go inside. Sarah's mother gives them a small parcel each. And Sarah's mother, what she gives as a gift? A small parcel, a small gift to each child. There is a gift for everyone, she says. So she says, this is a gift from me to everybody. Thank you, auntie, they say. So whenever we receive anything from anyone, what we have to say is thank you. This is a magical word. The children are happy and all the children are happy. They are now going home and they are going home. Good. Thank you for the lovely party, they say. Thanks for coming. Good night, says Sarah. So all the children says thank you for inviting and Sarah also says thank you for coming and making her birthday a special one. You also say like this, na? And if you haven't said, you should say thank you to whosoever who has joined you in happiness, also in helping also. And we should always appreciate others' quality. We should not laugh at anybody. So this was all about our game. And children, you have to read the chapter and try to pronounce the difficult words given in the chapter. Thank you.